Hey guys, good morning. I just wanted to thank you guys for following and subscribing, for liking my videos. I'm humbled. Last night I was working on a backhoe. We got the tire aired up. We got the hydraulic hose on. We put some hydraulic fluid in it. I'm still low on hydraulic fluid. I've got to run and pick that up. Nothing in there. I don't think this is gonna be enough. That's for sure not enough. I've got to go to my hydraulic supplies place. We're gonna get a kit to rebuild this cylinder right here. And I'm thinking about doing the other one because apparently I'm being told that both cylinders usually go bad at the same time. This is what I did last night. I just kind of tested out the hydraulics. Landed this tree that died earlier this year. Pulled the stump out, graded everything out as best as I could in the middle of the night. My neighbors all love me and I love them. I use the machine to help my neighbors. And if you want to be a good neighbor, if you want to have a good neighbor, be a good neighbor.